You too.
Producer from Norway.
Awesome.
So,
Hey, can I ask you a Norway question really quick?
yeah, sure.
You're in Norway?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I was 15 years old, one of my first businesses was called Pendulum Sportswear and Design. They didn't know this at the time. It was t-shirts, and I sent them to Tissenfreud. Did I say that right? Is it still there? I think the translation is Viking Land. It was an amusement park in Norway. Is that still there? Tusenfryd. See, I was saying it wrong the whole time. Is it real? Yeah. I said they didn't know they were dealing with a 16-year-old broke kid in Boulder, Colorado. I sold them $18,000, $19,000 worth of t-shirts. I didn't even have the internet back then. It was through the mail, and I had to send them fax from a Kinko's. Yeah, I called it Tusenfreud. How do I say it? Tusenfryd?
Tusenfryd.
Does that translate to Viking Land?
No, it's just like a random name, basically.
Ah, okay. My bad. I thought it was their version of Disneyland. Okay, sorry. I digress. One day I'd like to go there because that's how I made enough to buy my mom a car. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing, right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.